If you want to take a screenshot on a Nothing phone for A or for a Pro, we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. The first method is to use the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at once, you can easily capture full screenshot. Besides that, another way to capture a screenshot is by using a gesture, the 3-finger swipe down gesture. So you can do something like this on the screen in order to capture a full screenshot, or you can press and hold 3 fingers on this screen and then swipe down once you have the selection enabled. And then of course we can also adjust the cropped area if needed, and we can make some further adjustments and then save in the upper left corner. So this is the partial screenshot. And of course the swiping gesture or the 3-finger gesture for a screenshot is not actually activated by default, so in order to be able to use it we need to open settings. Then we're gonna scroll down and go to special features. Then over here we're gonna go to the gestures, and then in here we have screenshot gesture, so we can turn it on in here. Besides that, if you have an app opened in the background, then if you go to recents or the list of background apps, then below the preview we have the screenshot button, so we can use it in order to capture a screenshot of an app. And I believe that if we go to settings, then in here we can find additional option, but this time we're gonna go to accessibility in settings. Next we're gonna open accessibility menu and we're gonna turn it on, and we need to allow the access. Press OK, and now if we use the shortcut, then in here we should be able to find the screenshot option as well. So here is another method that allows you to easily activate or actually capture the screenshot. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.